trail. Anyways, dang, it's really windy out here. I'm gonna come out here and do a Slot Canyon or the Narrows here at Valley of Fire. It's a little side trail that you take. The second time I did it, the first time that I did it, I lost all my footage. So I'm gonna try to do it again, see how windy it is. Get caught up in the dust storm. I don't know how my pictures are gonna come out. Getting sandblasted out here. Yeah, at the Valley of Fire, I want to say so far this is my favorite trail. It's kind of hard though in the beginning. You got like sand, beach sand right there. Yeah, there's like some weights, 20-pound weights on each leg. Anywho, they got a couple things going on out here. They have a Nissan commercial that they're making for the new cars. Pretty nice sports cars out there. Also, they're making a movie. Not sure what the movie is. I'm trying to keep it on the down low. But yeah, they're making a movie out here. It's nothing new. Anyways, look at this. All that sand. See what the wind does to the sand. Creates these little wave-looking formations. Not sure how the audio is going to come out. All this wind. It's going to be heading down there. Maybe when I'm down there it's not going to be so windy. Here we go, the start of the trail. See if I survive. Like I said, this trail is a little bit difficult. The fact that, you know, you're walking on rocks with sand on it makes it a little bit slippery. Alright. Anyways, this is as far as I'm going to take with my camera. I need both hands. See you on the bottom. Yeah, I guess they used to make movies right here in this area. Yeah, back in the early times. Say maybe the 60s. Let's see what it says here. Oh yeah, in the 65s where they made a movie here. But yeah, this is where they made movies. I can see where you can do like Star Wars, even Star Trek. Anyways, here's the trail, and the trail continues up there, and I'm assuming that's the White Sands Trail. There's really nothing up there. I mean, good scenery, but nothing really like at all. But if you wanted to go to a Slot Canyon or the Narrows of Valley of Fire, and instead of going up, you're gonna go there in this area. See, this is where he came down. You're gonna make a right once you come to this little gorge area instead of going up. So I think a lot of people make that mistake, is they continue to go up instead of turning down here. And if you take this trail all the way around, it takes you back to the parking lot, to your vehicle. Not that far, not that far of a hike, but like I said, coming down it's pretty hard, not that easy. Pretty cool. I'm a little bit late. I probably have to be here like really early in the morning so I can get the sun to show up in here. And here you go. Okay. Valley of Fire. See a little wave formation on the rocks. I guess that's the benefit of having middle of the week off, is there's nobody around, so I can do what I need to do. where I came in. Yeah, it's a pretty nice little viewing on your hike. Not very big. And here's the other end where you come out. It's pretty cool. Well, anyways, I gotta set up, take some pictures, and then I'll be back. Alright, so I think I got the pictures that I needed. So now I'm gonna head to a different spot. See, this is the Narrows, Valley of Fire. Not really big, but it's pretty interesting, the view. Anyways, I'm gonna make it back around to my car. See the little trail markers. And like I said, there's a lot of climbing on this. Still a little bit breezy, so I'm not sure how my audio is gonna come out. But hey, it's good exercise, good hike. Let's see. Like maybe something like a desert planet would look like Mars or something like that. So there you have it. Good view behind me. Valley of Fire, White Dunes Trail. Until the next shot.